Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically comment on Facebook Reels. Using this powerful automation tool, with this software, you can automatically find Facebook Reels and leave comments without doing everything manually. This feature is extremely useful if you want to save time, increase engagement, promote your products or services, and grow your Facebook marketing faster. This is especially helpful for marketers, business owners, and anyone managing multiple Facebook accounts. Instead of spending hours commenting manually, you can simply set up the task once and let the software do all the work for you. Another great advantage is that this tool helps you reach more audiences through Facebook Reels, which is one of the fastest growing traffic sources right now.